In this video, I will be showing you how you can turn $300 gradually to $1,300 in less than 30 days, trading cryptocurrency with Utrading AI BOT. So many people complain that trading cryptocurrency is very risky and very difficult. Not with this AI BOT. This AI BOT has been proven to be very effective, and it has been working for me, and it has been working for so many other people. You can learn how you can convert your $300 to $1,300. All you need to do is to follow the settings, follow the right settings, which I'll be dropping in my WhatsApp groups, I'll be dropping in my Telegram groups. All you have to do is to check the description part of this video, see my links, contact me, and I will add you to my free class. The class is entirely for free. Remember, you are not giving anybody your money. Your money, your capital, your $300 capital will be in your exchange. Whether you are using Binance, or you are using BitGet, or you are using Bybit, whichever exchange you are using, your money, your capital will be there. Whereas you will now use about $100 to buy yogas for the robot to be trading for you. The most important thing is to learn how to set this robot so that this robot will be giving you the exact amount of money it is expected to give you on a daily basis. It is very simple. So join my Telegram group right away. Join my WhatsApp group right away. Contact me on my number at the description section of this video so that I can add you to my group where I share all the settings that you need. Now, these settings, I call them the no liquidation settings, so that your money will not be liquidated. Because if you're trading crypto on your own without knowing some things as fundamental analysis, without knowing what we call technical analysis, you are going to be incurring so much losses. At a point you will give up. But with this AI BOT, you are not going to encounter any loss as long as you follow my settings in the group. Remember to subscribe to my channel so that every day I drop updates, you'll be the first person to be notified. And make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified as quick as possible anytime I drop an update. Check the description part of this video right now to contact me so that you can actually be added to my class where I give you all the settings for free. I will see you inside. Thank you.
Look at it. For $150 to $2,191 in 7 days. From $150 to $2,171 in 7 days, guys. That is amazing. What is doing this work? It is this AI, this robot. Your money remains in your account. Your money remains with you. Don't give anybody your money. Your money remains in your account. Connect the AI, the bot. It trades right in your account and delivers. It trades both futures and spot. Look at it. 2,000 on my spot, 2,000 on my futures. This is actually somebody that just connected the robot. I'm just logging to his account now, and he's using it to make incredible amount of money. Now, for those who don't understand what I'm talking about, what I'm showing you guys is a live result of a business model that allows a robot to trade for you. The robot do the entire work for you. You hold your money. Don't give the robot your money. Don't give anybody your money. The robot is even free of charge to download. You only fuel it. You download it for free of charge. Now, your money remains with you. The robot do the entire work for you and help you print dollars every single day. Now, 7 days, this robot raised $150 to $2,191. Say rising. Now, let's go live to our Binance. Now, if I come here right away, I come here, right. I want to show you that these things are working. It's working, guys. And I go to futures. I open it. Look at it. 2,030. It's even increasing as we are still doing the video. You see, right inside this video, we are still making from 30 to 31. Right inside this video, we are still making from 30 to 31 to 32. Guys, this is working. The best business ever. It is working. This way. Look at the trades. Look at the trades. You can see this balance. Now let's look at the trades. You can see trades going on. These trades are entering profit. Look at the margin. Can you imagine look at the margin, guys? It is entering profit. Entering profit. This is the best online business in 2024. If you are in 2024, you are a graduate, you are a stay-at-home mom, you are a student, you are an elderly person, you are looking for a side business that can allow you to have freedom to focus on your studies, a side business that can allow you to focus on your work or do whatever. This is for you. This AI, connect it, go back at home and sleep. Come every morning. Do you know one thing? I told people, stop giving people money to trade for you. Stop investing. This one we say there is this business. You need to invest your money there. It is scam. It's 419. Don't invest your money anywhere. Any business or anything that tells you to invest your money and it's not a bank, don't do it. It's not an illegal open exchange. Don't do it. Keep your money in your exchange, in your trust wallet, in your Binance, in any exchange you are using. Connect this AI to begin to print dollars for you. There was an AI I was using to trade before. It's called Royal Q. He traded on this spot. This one is 50 times better than that one. This is the best AI you can think about using to trade right now. It literally prints in dollars for you every single day. Now let me show you something. If I go here now, what are you seeing? 11,250. Look at it, guys. Look at it. 11,226 dollars. $11,265 rather, and it's going to keep rising. Oh, we can see it. What made this profit? This AI, the same AI. Can you see it? I'm trying to highlight it so you can see it very well. Okay, it's unhighlighted. 11,265 and keep increasing. If I refresh it now, you see that you see increasing every here and then. Guys, what are you waiting for? 265. This is working, guys. It's simple. Come leverage on this automated trading system and begin to print money every single day. You are printing dollars, guys, every single day. Now, if I come here, I want to show you something quickly so you understand that this business model is the best ever. $1 today is over 1,700. I have risen 1,700 as 11,265. 260. Let me say 260. It's over 19 million naira end already with this AI. 19 good million naira. You see, I am not. You see here, I am right in Binance. Can you see Binance? This is Binance. Let me open it so you see that I'm opening it. You can see it here. Binance opened. Can you see it here? And I come here, 11,265. Almost 20 million naira end already. And a new trade was started 7 days ago. In 7 days, the robot took $150 to $2,034 now. You know, it's increasing. As I'm making this video, it's increasing. $37 now. $2,037 now. Every single minute, it is increasing. What is stopping you from making money from this amazing business model? Let me show you the trace right inside this robot. I'm in the robot now. If I come here right away and I click on trade, you can see these are the running trace, few running trace, but printing dollars in this bull run. If you are not making money, you are missing it. And if you're struggling to get signals to learn how to, you don't need to learn anything. Even if you don't know how to read and write, but you can operate your phone, you can do this business. Give this robot access and allow it to print in dollars for you. Do you know what the requirement is? You have a smartphone, I have an internet connection, then hit my bio, click the link in my bio, hit the link in my bio, hit the link at the description of this video, and get in touch right now. Let's guide you on how you can use this thing. The robot is free of charge. You only need to fuel the robot. Once you fuel it, connect it to your exchange, whether any exchange at all you are using, and begin to print in dollars on daily basis.